Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to explain what LSRV DAO is and answer the questions. What is the purpose of the protocol? How does it work? And how can we benefit from it? You will find all information in this video. But first, let's summarize the difference between DeFi 1.0 and DeFi 2.0. Whereas DeFi 1.0 gave people liquidity mining, token exchanges, lending, DeFi 2.0 promises to improve the user experience, introduce new finance technologies and improve capital utilization. DeFi 1.0 is the early decentralized financial infrastructure that constitutes the current DeFi ecosystem. It includes decentralized central trading applications and DEXs like Uniswap and SushiSwap, lending applications like Aave and Compound, stablecoin applications like MakerDAO, yield-generating applications like Wire Finance, synthetic assets like Synthetix and Duma, and insurance-type projects like Nexus Mutual. DeFi 2.0 refers to a layer of applications built upon the first generation of the protocol. The core of DeFi 2.0 is to add liquidity into the infrastructure layer, making the development of the industry more sustainable. So why do we need decentralized reserve currency? Dollar-pegged stablecoins have a dominant position in cryptocurrency, and the dollar is controlled by the Fiat. This is a situation when we lose one of the main advantages of cryptocurrencies – decentralization. And we will also bring systemic risks to cryptocurrencies to which the dollar is exposed. This stage was necessary at the beginning of the development of cryptocurrencies, but now we need a currency created inside the crypto world and having a cross-chain function. What is LeserveDAO? This is a brand new project inspired by Olympus DAO on the Terra blockchain. LeserveDAO is an algorithmic currency protocol that means LSRV tokens. And just like the central banks with gold, the LeserveDAO protocol managed the issue of its currency using reserve crypto assets, UST, Luna in the future and other assets. The goal of the LSRV token is to become a stable cryptocurrency, not pegged to dollar. You may ask, how does it work? The LSRV project uses its treasury to back all LSRV tokens. At this point, the LSRV token is backed by the stablecoin of Terra blockchain UST, not pegged to it. Currently, the treasury backs every token with 1 UST. When LSRV token trades at a value above its back asset, the protocol mints and sells new LSRV tokens, increasing supply. When LSRV token trades below the back asset, the protocol buys back and burns LSRV token, decreasing supply. This allows the protocol to stabilize LSRV's value. Thereby, the protocol guarantees that the price of the LSRV token will not fall below $1, but what the actual price of the token will be depends on the market demand for the token, called market premium. There are two main options how you can benefit from Leserve: staking and bonding. When you stake your LSRV token, it gets locked in the protocol, which means less tokens to the market, creating value for the protocol. You can unstake whenever you want. Staking rewards actually depend on the ratio of the amount of earned protocol funds to the amount of staked tokens. Bonding is a strategy used by the protocol to get assets into the treasury, as well as to gain more control over the liquidity. How does it work? You bring an asset UST and Luna will be accepted at the first stages, and receive in return an LSRV token at a price lower than on the market, but with a wasting of 5 days. You can also bring your LP tokens and get LSRV tokens at a discount. LeserveDAO will also provide a platform for the sale of its bonds by another protocol, similar to Olympus Pro mechanics, thereby helping them to control their own liquidity. For the sale of bonds on this market, LeserveDAO will retain a commission that will be sent as profit to the protocol and subsequently distributed among the LSRV token stakeholders. We are also going to deliver value to stakeholders by deploying the assets in the treasury to generate returns. Possible further options will be flash loans, issuing self-repaying loans and others, which we will explain in next videos. It's good if you want to ask, how does LeserveDAO differ from Olympus DAO? As we said above, Leserve is inspired by Olympus, which means the main mechanics such as bonding, liquidity control, coin minting and the main goal are similar, but there are a number of differences. Namely, this is what we are developing on the Terra blockchain. To generate profitability, we will use more different mechanisms than those currently offered by Olympus DAO, and we will also have a different DAO management system. We see ourselves not as a competitor of Olympus DAO, but as its brother in the neighboring network, which has a similar goal but goes its own way to it. Why DAO is a great governance tool? One of the fundamental beliefs and values we share with Olympus is the power of decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. To build a truly robust decentralized reserve currency that operates fairly, transparently and objectively on a long-term basis, we believe that DAO is the only way forward. Leservans will be at the heart of the protocol and inherently define, shape and control its future. Leservans will put forward propositions and collectively vote and decide which will be accepted and which will not. It was an introduction to LeserveDAO and its main goals. If you have any questions or would like to get involved, join our Discord with over 12,000 active members and visit our social media links in the description below. Thanks for watching!